In today's video, I am going to teach you how to separate names in Excel. If you have a column with full names and you want to split those names into separate cells, Excel has a built-in tool that makes the process quick and easy. In this example, we are separating names based on the space between the first and last name. This is especially useful when you need to sort, filter, or organize your spreadsheet more clearly. Begin by highlighting the column that contains the full names. Make sure you select only the cells you want to split. If your list has a header at the top, be careful not to include it unless you want Excel to apply the same split to that cell as well. Taking a moment to select the correct range will help you avoid mistakes later. Once the names are highlighted, go to the Data tab at the top of the Excel ribbon. This tab contains several tools for organizing and cleaning up data, and the one we need is called Text to Columns. Click Text to Columns to open the conversion wizard. When the wizard appears, choose Delimited, then click Next. This option tells Excel that the data should be split wherever it finds a specific separator. In our case, that separator is the space between names. On the next screen, check the box for space. Make sure all the other delimiter options are unchecked, so Excel does not split the names in the wrong places. Then click Next to continue. At this stage, Excel will usually show you a preview of how the data will be separated, which can help you confirm that everything looks right before you finish. Now choose your destination cell. This is where the separated names will appear, starting with the first names. It is a good idea to pick an empty area of the worksheet so you do not accidentally overwrite existing data. After selecting the destination, click Finish. Excel will instantly separate the full names into different columns based on the spaces. In most simple name lists, the first name will go into one column and the last name will move into the next column. This gives you a cleaner layout and makes your data easier to work with. If needed, you can adjust the column widths afterwards so the results are easier to read. That covers everything you need to know.